Hello again, geometry. So, in these sets of videos, we're talking about the exterior angle theorem. The key piece here is differentiating between the interior angles, which the triangle sum theorem used a lot of, the inside angles, and what an exterior angle actually is. To help illustrate this, let's go ahead and draw a diagram. So, the exterior angle is still going to involve a triangle, so we have our one side of the triangle, the other side of the triangle. But the exterior angle theorem really comes into play when we extend a side of the part of the triangle. And so we're not going to end our line here. Instead, we're going to extend it farther than that. So the exterior angle is the angle formed by that extended side outside of the triangle. So there is our exterior angle. Now, keep in mind how that's different from the interior angles, right? The interior angles are all the angles within the shape. So these are all the interior angles. There, there, and there. And then the exterior angle is outside. Now, if you need to, or if you find yourself looking this up online and looking for extra help online separate of the materials I've given you, you might end up coming across the word remote. Remote angles also are just interior angles. And so as we are able to work through this, know that math has a lot of different vocabulary words for multiple things. And that's just another case where interior angles and remote angles really do mean the same thing there. We're going to be using interior angles for our class and our discussion and our work. So that should help out at least a little bit there. Now, we have our exterior angle, we have our interior angles. I want to differentiate between one more thing, and that is the difference between an exterior angle and a vertical angle. So to do that, I'm going to draw ourselves an example of a vertical angle here. So a vertical angle has our two straight lines that cross. Now, I'm going to make one of those into a triangle. I'm going to go ahead and make this one into a triangle here. Boom. Triangles are great. Now notice we still have our three interior angles. Interior, interior, interior. We have our exterior, and I'm going to go ahead and emphasize it with purple because who doesn't love purple? Go Rams. Now, the exterior angle, like I said earlier, was the extension of a side. When we look at this diagram, we might be tempted to identify this as our exterior angle, but unfortunately, that is not the exterior angle. Is it outside the triangle? Yes. But specifically, the exterior angle based off of our description from before, it's only formed by one extended side. And this vertical angle, if you notice, is formed by both lines that are extended, not just one. And so, in order for our exterior angle, we're either looking here from this extended side, or we're looking here from the other extended side. Because remember, only one side is extended in order to give us exterior angles. So both of these are examples of exterior angles. And when you have both lines extended, like we were just talking about, that's our vertical angle. Vertical to the interior angle. So we have a lot of angles described here. The key piece that I need you to take away from this is that an exterior angle is formed by only one extended side. It's formed by one extended side. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that gives you a start with understanding where it is. In the next video, we're going to look at some examples and applications of finding and using the exterior angle.